Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. Today we will continue our learning of the prose lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. Let us take a deeper look at the lesson today. Study the extract from the lesson displayed here. This paragraph describes how her wish grew into an overwhelming desire. The line marked shows how sincerely she longed to ride the bus. The last line shows the child in her and her envy for those who had already experienced a bus ride. Let us study this extract now. From these lines, you can make out that Valli wanted to keep her plans a secret from all. She was perhaps mature enough to know that adults would not allow her to go for a ride all alone. You can also observe how an 8-year-old girl plans her trip so carefully. Let's look at this extract now. This extract clearly shows that Valli was wise beyond her years. It is usually not easy for an 8-year-old child to forego temptations of her age, like enjoying goodies, peppermints, toys, and so many more. Generally, children live in the present, but Valli was different. She had plans for the future. She was quite a brave girl. She sneaked out of home when her mom took a siesta in the afternoon. She loved exploring the world around, as indicated by the word excursions. These paragraphs beautifully describe how excited Valli was during her bus ride. The line, Valli devoured everything with her eyes, clearly shows how she enjoyed every sight across the window. This particular extract gives a clue not only about Valli but also about the conductor. While she comes across as a strong, independent young girl, the bus conductor comes across as a friendly and caring adult who respects a young child and her wishes. Now observe the conversation between the bus conductor and Valli here. Valli is very clear about her plan. She doesn't want to get off the bus as she has saved just enough for the round trip. It was smart on her part to stay seated in the bus as she was mindful of the time she needs to be back home. The conductor comes across as a warm and considerate person too. This extract describes her return trip. This particular extract clearly proves that Valli was indeed quite mature. She could feel the pain of loss of life when she witnessed the dead cow. Her young mind was disturbed by the sight, and this affected her enthusiasm during the rest of the journey. Thus, Valli succeeded in fulfilling her desire of riding a bus with a mixed bag of experiences, some exciting and some not so exciting. Hope you studied the lesson critically. It is now time to go ahead with the class tasks for today. All the very best.